Alright, so I'm in the car right now. I just got back from wherever I was at. But the most important thing is the suspension block that we talked about here is basically we already trading through it right now. So the next upside will be this next suspension block right here. So the one that we was banging in all last week. So the price want to continue higher. You can see us bang into that. Tomorrow is FOMC, so the morning session may be a little wonky. So what I'd normally do is I'll just sleep in, honestly. But um, an ideal day, if it wasn't FOMC, an ideal day would be us not trading up into that area, going into the open, and then give us some sort of setup that takes us higher or sends us higher, to then target that suspension block as a draw on a essentially a long entry, hypothetically speaking, if that was something that was to happen. But since tomorrow's FOMC, the morning session may be a little wonky, so you may just see a lot of consolidation, but that's what it looks like there. Very clean, right? So last night we talked about this fair value gap here. I want to see what did we do when we got here. Obviously, we traded down into that and then traded higher. So obviously, price is still bullish. Um, Small little short up in here to take out the sell side liquidity pool, but ultimately uh, finished the day consolidating out, and then now we're getting that heavy push up higher. So again, that next target would be this daily suspension block right here, and like I said, if we could just stay below that and then give some type of setup to run into that as a long setup in the AM session would be something that I would look for if tomorrow wasn't FOMC. So I know they like to hold the ranges very tight in that morning session and then let them just be a little loose in that PM session around that 2 o'clock, 2:30 news volatility injection. So, um, but yeah, that's where my eye is at. So I just want to send that over right now as quick as possible while I'm on the phone.